Hi, I've been a Brilliant Medical Boutique customer for many years now. I had purchased a chair from a online retailer, and it just didn't meet my needs after a while. So I went to Brilliant Medical Boutique, and they had an awesome chair there, and I ordered it in this beautiful color, and now I love it. It has so many options, and it just meets everything. It checked all my boxes. It has heated seats. It has massage, Swedish massage, and it has a table and a light that you can switch out. The online retailer store dropped it off in a big box, and we had to unpack it and put it together. The instructions weren't real clear, but then Kyle delivered this chair and went over every detail on the two remotes. He was awesome, very awesome. I appreciate Brilliant Medical Boutique because every time I've gone in there, their customer service is on point. They laugh with you, they talk to you, they don't just ask you what you need and give it to you and then leave. From the time you hit the front door, they answer all your questions. They actually take you to the product you need to look at, get it off the shelf for you, bring it up to the counter, and they talk to you while they're ringing you up. And if they don't have what you need, they call about getting it, or they tell you another place that you can pick it up. They really try to help you to get what you need. Thank you very much, Brilliant Medical Boutique, for everything that you do for your customers.